Hello, my dear. Welcome to the Ingredient Channel. In this week's episode, I'm introducing a simple recipe for a delicious dessert. We're making the crunchy almond cookie. I hope you enjoy it. Recipes of crunchy nut cookies and candies are quite popular and not that hard to find over the internet. However, most of them ask for some amount of sugar. If you're like me, who have sweet teeth but are afraid of consuming too much sugar, you may have found the right video, as the beauty about this unique recipe is there is no added sugar included. In addition, the cooking process is so simple that no kneading or baking is required. Check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. First, I'm going to break the cashew into smaller pieces, and yes, I'm using the rolling spoon. Then, in the heated pan, no oil needed. We will stir fry the almond flour under low heat. Keep stirring as we do not want to burn the almond flour. We'll stir fry until the almond flour turns to the light brown color. Then we are going to stir fry the all-purpose flour under low heat as well until the flour turns into light yellow color. We're going to add the almond flour back, turn off the heat, and keep mixing until they mix together very well. We'll shovel it out and put it into a container. Add the cashew, sesame seed, salt, and mix well. Sprinkle the honey, melted butter, and olive oil evenly around the mixture to avoid producing large chunks. Mix well. Let's test it by using our hands to squeeze the ingredients. If they stick together, it's good to go. Otherwise, add a little bit more honey and butter. Next, we're going to use the mooncake mold to make the cookies. Fill the mold with the mixture to about 75% full. Then use our fingers to press the ingredients. Put a small piece of parchment paper under the mold, then press as hard as you can. Stay for about 10 seconds. Release. There you go. With the amount of ingredients in the recipe, we're making about 8 cookies. For best results, after you finish making the cookies, let them sit in the refrigerator for 30 to 60 minutes. Well, the rest is to enjoy. Nutty, crunchy, and filling. What a delightful snack. I enjoy the taste of every single bite and certainly hope you do too. So good to have you. Please check out the other videos in my channel. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.